The Rivers State House of Assembly don approve for the state executive to borrow 200 billion naira make dem take fund the Port Harcourt Ring Road project. Dis one na after dem receive one letter from Rivers State Governor Fubara where im dey ask the House to approve am for the executive to borrow the money to fund the project. The lawmakers, after one long talk among themselves, come move for the approval to borrow the said amount of money. Before all that, the leader of the House, Edison Ehie, talk say the project no go bring losses but go generate more revenue for the state. E con still talk say the project go open up the state for more businesses.
This project will not add any further tax burden on Rivers people. Rather, this project is in itself a revenue generator. What do I mean? From the start to the finish of this project, it is going to be hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah for Rivers people. From the people who are going to be in charge of compensation, these are Rivers companies, Rivers entities that will be engaged by the state government. The people who are going to supply the required project elements, everything that we require from the company, the subcontractors will be Rivers people. So it's in itself a generator. That means 30 to 40% of the money that we borrow will go back into the pocket of Rivers men and women and those living and doing business in Rivers State. Rivers people, by this project, now have an alternative route in our tax institution, opening the state further to international global competition.
A fortnight ago, we passed the 2023 Supplementary Appropriation Bill into law. Subsequently, His Excellency the Governor gave his assent, and as we speak, the sum of 200 billion naira has been set aside by that law for the Port Harcourt Ring Road. What His Excellency the Governor has done is to comply with the 1999 Constitution as amended and all relevant statutes, to seek the approval of this August Assembly, the state government to approach any financial institution and assess that sum already approved in the 2023 Supplementary Appropriation Law. The key thing is that Rivers people will be the greatest beneficiary at the end of the day. We are going to have a Port Harcourt Ring Road that will cut across several local government areas. In the past, people have always wrongly, in parentheses, wrongly criticized government for concentrating in Port Harcourt, which is not true, because we are aware that we have passed appropriation laws providing for infrastructural projects across the 23 local government areas in the states.
From Port Harcourt, A. Carter Ojaisili, TMC TV News.